Hi guys, this is me Sir Tawheed, and today we are going to study future continuous tense. But first I would like to let you know that if you really want to learn these tenses, you should start from the very beginning, from the very first episodes of the tenses series, so you can understand them perfectly rather than just a little bit. So now let's move on to the topic, which is future continuous tense. Let's have a look at its definition. Its definition is, this tense describes the actions or activity that are going to be continued in the later time, or this tense expresses the ongoing actions in future time. It means that whatever is going to remain continue in future, that could be expressed with the help of this tense. Means if you think that you are going to get engaged with some kind of activity in the later time, you can define it or express it with the help of future continuous tense. As you can see in the graph as well, if we divide the tenses according to the timeline, so first comes the past, then present, and then goes to future. And what we are talking right now is about future ongoing activities, means something which is not yet started. It will be started in future and will continue for some time in future. So these kind of activities are expressed with the help of future progressive tense. Now let's have a look at its structure, which is there are around 4 elements in this structure. The first element of the structure is subject, which is the doer of anything. Second element is helping verb. Here we use 2 helping verbs. One is shall be and the second one is will be. So we'll use any one of them. After helping verb, the third element is fourth form of verb. Means you have to use present participle form of verb, or it is also called ing form. Means you have to use first form of a verb plus ing with it. After main form of verb, we use object, and this is the fourth element of the structure. So object is something which is connected to the verb. So now let's understand how to use shall be or will be. Remember that if the subject is first person, that is I or we, only with these subjects we use shall, and with all other subjects, whatever they are, we use will with them. And even if you use will be with all the subjects, even with I or we, it will be okay. It's not going to be wrong. You can use will be with all the subjects, but sometimes people use shall be with first person subject like I or we. Now let's have a look at some examples now. Here the first example is he will be learning English language. He will be learning English language. It means in some future time he will start learning English, and this action will go on, will keep continue in future time. So this kind of things are expressed with the help of future continuous tense. So here we can classify these things as he is subject here because he is going to learn, so he is the doer of learning. After he, the helping verb is used, which is will be. He will be. And then we use main form of verb in fourth form. Here the action is about learning, so the first form of it is called learn, but we have to use ing in the ending, so it will become learning. And then object, which is something connected to the verb. Here you can see that English language is something which is going to be learned, so the object is English language. This is something which that he will learn in future, so he will be learning English language is an affirmative sentence. But if you want to make it a negative sentence, you'll have to put not after will. Then the sentence will become he will not be learning English language. It means that in future time he is not going to start learning English language. And if we want to make its interrogative sentence, then we only have to use will in the beginning. So the sentence will become like this: will he be learning English language? Will he be learning English language? And then put question mark in the end, and this is an standard interrogative sentence. Let's see the second example, which is I shall be waiting for you. I shall be waiting for you means in some future time I will start wait for you, and this action of waiting will continue for some time. So I shall be waiting for you. So now let's analyze this sentence. Here you can see that I is the subject because I is something or someone who's going to do something. Actually it is waiting for someone. So I is going to wait, so that is the doer. So the subject is I here, and as we know that after I or we use shall be. So since here the subject is I, so we will use shall be as helping verb. After helping verb we have to use fourth form of verb, and the work here is waiting. Here the action is of waiting. So first form is called wait, but because we have to use ing form, so we'll put ing in the end. It will become waiting. I shall be waiting. And then we have to put object, which is you. But remember that after waiting we use for as preposition to talk about the person for whom the wait is being done. So I shall be waiting for you, and this is an affirmative sentence. And if we want to make its negative sentence, we only have to use not after shall. So the sentence will become I shall not be waiting for you. I shall not be waiting for you. This is a negative sentence. But if you want to make it an interrogative sentence, you will have to use shall in the beginning. So the sentence will become shall I be waiting for you, and then put question mark in the end. So this is an interrogative sentence. Shall I be waiting for you? It means that I'm asking if I'm going to wait for you or not. Let's see the third example, which is they will be feeling well tomorrow. They will be feeling well tomorrow. It means we are talking about some people and they will be feeling well tomorrow. So this is an affirmative sentence. You can see this. You can see here that they is subject here because they are going to feel it. So they are the doer of something. Subject is they, and after they we use helping verb, which is will be. After helping verb we use main form of verb in fourth form. So here they are going to feel it. So to make its fourth form we'll use ing in the end, then it become feeling. To make this negative sentence we only have to use not after will, and the sentence will become they will not be feeling well tomorrow. They will not be feeling well tomorrow. This is a negative sentence, and it means that we are expecting that they will not be feeling well tomorrow. To make it an interrogative sentence, we'll use will in the beginning, and the sentence will become will they be feeling well tomorrow, and then question mark in the end. It means that I'm asking if they are going to feel well tomorrow or not. So guys, this is the end of this lesson. I hope you could understand it and learn it. If you like this video, please hit like button and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch more video lessons. Goodbye.